Today we'll be talking about the NCTM. What really stands out to me about the NCTM is the fact that it has a focus of the year. And I think this is really important to have because math sometimes, because there's so many different kinds of math classes, it could lack focus. So, for example, this year, it's for every school year. So the 2010 to 2011 school year, the focus is geometry. Some teachers believe that geometry can be developed across grade levels because we tend to do the same things over and over again and then just kind of drop it after a while. But it really is important in calculus as well. All the calculus is actually 1, 2, and 3. So it's really important that teachers do believe that we need to focus more on that. Reasoning and justification builds off geometry. That's where we get our proofs and stuff from. All this stuff is very important, especially for math teachers, and we all feel that it's important. So it's nice to have a focus of the year. That's something that we all agree on, we can all discuss. Some examples of previous years include 2008 to 2009, and it was equity. This is much different than geometry. Not equity, as in this shape is this shape. No, not like that. Equity is it does not matter if a student has a learning disability. It does not matter the student's gender, race, anything. Every student should be entitled to be able to learn math no matter what, whether it be through assistive technologies or an aid in the classroom. Math is something that's very difficult for everyone, so not everyone, but math is something that's very difficult. So the more help we can give these students, the better. So that was the 2008-2009 goal. In 2006 to 2007, the goal was called Show Me the Math. And it's about representation, which is, I think, obviously very important in math. We can't do a lot of things without physically showing it. It's very difficult for students to understand concepts without drawing stuff out. So that was a good thing. This organization is so important to join if you are a math teacher. Just this alone, having a focus of the year, I mean, that's only one thing out of the many, many great articles and everything that you can get from the NCTM. The materials are very efficient for lesson plans. They will help you in your lesson plans. And having a yearly goal is also good for your students. Even if they may not realize that they are participating in this goal, it is fantastic to just have that unity and to know that all the other math classes are working towards the same thing. This is something, many math classes are on different paces a lot of the time, but even if they are, we can still have this one thing in common. And there's many guides for professional development in the NCTM website. I was extremely satisfied with the website. I will just go through, I won't go through the whole thing, but it's very well organized. Even if you do not have an account, you can still look through everything. Here's the membership. You can get a student membership. There's all different kinds of programs you can use. There's the position statement and the mission. There's journals. I found many interesting articles that I really enjoyed reading. So this is it, and then it's easy enough to just hit the Join NCTM button. That's your final step in this. It's very effective. It's very easy to join as well, not expensive, and you get so many fantastic materials out of all of this. So many beneficial materials. And I hope you all make the right decision and choose to join it.